Hey everybody, Mr. Becker here, and in this video we are going to be practicing vacuuming our floors. So I have my vacuum here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I need to get the cord off so I can plug it in. Alright, so I've got my cord. I'm going to find the plug, and I'm going to plug it in. Alright, now that I have my vacuum plugged in, I can get ready to vacuum. I'm going to move my wires out of the way, and I'm going to find my on and off switch on my vacuum. Mine's right here in the back. I am going to put my foot on the suction part and tilt it back. That's how my vacuum works. And I'm going to turn it on so I can start cleaning my carpet. When I'm done vacuuming, I'm going to turn my vacuum off with the same switch I used to turn it on, and I am going to unplug my vacuum. Now that it's unplugged, I'm going to wrap the cord back up so that I can put my vacuum away and have a clean, fresh room. Alright, that's vacuuming your floors. Have fun practicing at home.